This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joseph Parr. Welcome to your new home. This beautifully updated 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom property offers 2,124 square feet of comfortable living space with no carpet throughout, perfect for easy maintenance and allergy-friendly living. The garage has been professionally enclosed to create a second living area or game room, providing plenty of space for entertaining or relaxing. You'll love the large, fully fenced backyard, ideal for pets or outdoor gatherings. Other highlights include brand new roof for peace of mind, open and versatile floor plan, quiet, established neighborhood. Don't miss out on this unique and spacious rental opportunity. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.